Welcome to this tutorial. Today we're sorting data alphabetically. Let's get straight to it. On your sheet, select a cell within the data range. Click the filter icon. Each header now has a filter applied to it. Make sure before applying these filters, you're selecting a cell within the data range. Selecting a cell outside of it will result in Google Sheets applying the filter for that specific cell alone. With the filters applied correctly, you can click on any of the column's filter button to access the sorting menu. In this case, let's sort this column. Here, in the sorting menu, we have two options to sort alphabetically: to sort in an A to Z order or in a Z to A order. For data with numbers, this will act as ascending or descending order respectively. We can now successfully sort these different columns alphabetically. Once done, you can press the Remove Filter button to get rid of the filters. If you find this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more useful Google Sheets tips. Thanks for watching.